Bangladesh and India, Tripura part, was conducted in State Guest House. From the Tripura India side, the districts of West Tripura, Kowai and Sipai Jala participated. From Bangladesh side, 4 districts of Kumbila, Maulavi Bazar, Brahmanbaria and Habiganj districts participated. The Bangladesh delegation was led by Deputy Commissioner and District Magistrate of Kumbila, Mr. Mohammad Abul Fazil Mir. And from the Indian side, the delegation was led by District Magistrate West Tripura, Dr. Sandeep Mahatme. The meeting was conducted, the presentations were given from both the sides, and thorough discussions took place on number of issues. And at the end of DMDC conference, joint resolution is being passed on number of issues which was discussed in this conference. The main points of the discussion were the containment of cross-border illegal movement of the illegal citizens, as well as human trafficking, issues of drug trafficking. From the Tripura side, the steps taken by all the 3 district police on illegal seizure of ganja, yaba tablets, fentanyl, as well as from the Bangladesh side, the same measures taken on seizure of all these contraband items, narcotic drugs, cannabis was mentioned in detail. Similarly, the issues of completion of Agartala-Akhara railway, then completion of the remaining portion of the border fencing, then the issues of promotion of border trade, border hearts, identification of new places for border hearts as well as ICP are discussed here. Some of the issues related to sharing of the data of river flow was also discussed in this meeting. Also, from the BSF and the BGP side, the border pillar survey, the missing pillars, damaged pillars was also discussed at length, and the border fencing and the border lights were also discussed at length. So at the end of the conference, the joint the resolution has been prepared by both the delegations, and we are going to sign it so that it can be transmitted to their highest authorities. We are going to send the report to the state government once the conference is over. So we are very thankful to the DMs and SPs of 4 districts of Bangladesh, as well as DMs and SPs of 3 districts of Tripura, and in addition the officers of BSF and BGB, they also participated in this conference, and thorough discussion took place on number of issues. Land acquisition and handing over the land. So from both the sides, this part is already done. The Bangladesh side, the progress is good. So as per the revised timelines, the completion will be done. Now it is only the part of the construction agencies. So we are going to support the construction agencies.
So what is the new timeline?
New timeline which has been rescheduled last time as per the donor ministry is September 2021. So there are 2 timelines for the transshipment yard as well as connectivity connection of this railway line. So, but that district administration we are going to support mainly from the land acquisition point of view.
So as you have reviewed, are you satisfied that it will be completed by...
No, we cannot comment on, because that is a construction is a separate issue. Now the district administration's part is mainly the land acquisition and if any law and order problem is there or not. So construction agencies and the ministry can tell what is the progress on those issues.
But that part is complete, that land acquisition.
Land acquisition part is complete from our side.
And regarding border hut?
Border hut, some new locations has been identified. So then the joint visits are also scheduled. 26 February some joint visits are going to take place. And once this inspection report would be submitted to the respective departments, then at the highest level the decisions should be taken.
So how many new are proposed?
Proposed some because 3 different districts they did at their own level.
Already DM West Tripura discussed all the matters, and we unanimously agreed all the agendas that were discussed, because we think we are bordering country and we have good relations, that we are relating the culturally, we have the same culture, and Tripura and Bangladesh, the language is the same, culture same. So there are some problems regarding border issues, especially drug trafficking, human trafficking, and some pillar missing, and we discussed all this matter, and hopefully we agreed in a unique resolution from both the sides, and I convey my heartfelt gratitude to the DM West Tripura and all the DMs from Tripura district and all that Deputy Commissioner and Police Super from India and Bangladesh part, and representative from the BSF, representative from the BGP, Customs and Land Protocol. Thank you.
Belaikena hambai tripuri khorang nai tongnai ta hukte buku sono sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khangken daktino subscribe khlai di job nse sekang video norok nugna bagai abani bagi ta makhlai video ni tolaw norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasak khlai abona click khlai di click khlai mani loge loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjaga na nukjaka a bell click khlai re click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge loge no norok video nugana joton sai sekang nugana abani bagai belakeno hambai nai tongdi